Bonafide Hustler here, and today we are going to do a bunch of random things. I got a Facebook Marketplace sale about to go down. I'm gonna take you around the day with me. Let's start the vlog. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris the Bonafide Hustler coming to you live from the inside of my kitchen. About to make some good food as my first meal of the day. It's around 11:15. Been fasting since about 9 o'clock last night. First sale of the day is going to be a Facebook Marketplace sale. It's a ski jacket I think I bought for around $12, maybe $13. Could maybe be $20. I'm not 100% sure. Long time ago, and we've used it a couple times. It was Whitney's jacket. I'm going to sell it for 50 bucks. Then we have either 10 or 11 eBay items that are going out. Last weekend I went camping. And I put my store on 3-day handling, and I also did something very peculiar. Last week on all my listings I just put best offer on everything, or best offer, and so I got offers all through the weekend. It was crazy. I think I got a solid 7 offers, and I did 7 counter offers, and yeah, so 11 things are going out this morning, something like that. We got to get those things done. But anyways, let's get to the first meal. Let's knock it out real quick. There's the first meal of the day right there. We have 4 whole eggs. We also have some pumpkin seeds on top, some salsa, an actual avocado, refried black beans with no lard in there, and then I think 3 or 4 pieces of organic Canadian bacon. That's the first meal of the day. Check it out. Time to get some eBay things in order. 11 things. That's the official number. 11 things have sold the past 3 days. Time to get labels on all this stuff. So here it is. This is all the stuff that I gotta make. I got measurements and what it sold for. Let's go in the garage real quick and see what we have to do. Oh yeah, by the way, I think I got stood up on that Craigslist sale. That is so annoying. That is definitely a pet peeve / I hate it when that happens. But you know, I guess that's part of it. I don't really usually get people that stand me up, ever. But when it happens, like, I hate it. So, you know, can you really control it? No. So, it doesn't really matter. But it is annoying. It is annoying. I don't understand how people think it's okay to make plans like, hey, I'll meet you here, whatever, and then they never show up. I don't understand how people ever do this. It's just pretty wild. So, what do you guys think? Oh, man. Am I overreacting? I just don't like it. Anyway. All right, so some of the things that are selling are behind here. I already kind of sectioned it off. It's all the stuff that's going out, and plus more stuff that I have to find on the shoe wall. So we have some 0 grand shoes, sold for 80. Those are about $10. Brown Pebble bag sold for 50. I think I spent 20 on that. I'm not really proud about that one. Suede leather jacket from Polo. That was a $5 find, I think. Oreo Flyknits. I think this was like 12 bucks. I sold them for 40. Kind of blowing some things out, I guess, with these best offer kind of deals. Corona beer tray kind of things. I think I was like 15 into that, sold for 75. A Toomey luggage, 21 inches or so, sold for 80. I think I was 10 into that. TomTom GPS. I'm not 100% sure if I was 40 or 65 into this. Sold for 75, so definitely not proud of that one. An extra large Patagonia pair of shorts. I think I was 5 into that, sold for 35. I'm really trying hard not to sell anything less than 50 bucks, but some of this stuff is just kind of blowout prices. And some of this stuff are things that were in my store already that were sub 50 before I started this road to 200 thing. So a DVD set, not too bad. I think I was 4 into that, sold for 40. Some Maxwell tapes that were left over from some other random stuff. I think I was 5 into that sold for 35, and some CrossFit Nano shoes. Those were my personal workout shoes. That sold for 65, and I believe I was 12 into those. So all that stuff's gonna get out of here today, and yeah, should be a lot of fun. I gotta get this stuff all done, and I have 2 more measurements to do. So yeah, I have everything really ready to go except for these last 2 that just sold today. So those were all offers. Pretty interesting. But I think just picking allow best offers, or you know, the capacity to have a best offer on your listings, that was a pretty big piece of. I was kind of surprised when I put it, and I blanketed all my listings with that one thing, and I was really kind of pleased to see what happened with that. So let's call it an experiment, but it's pretty interesting nevertheless. Well, I'm happy to have sold 11 things. I guess I'm more happy that some of the other stuff is being purged out that's less than 50 bucks. Really, I want to be making $50 or more per item, but they're at least maybe 20, maybe 30 more items in my store that are sub 50 bucks. So it's good to purge those things out, but it's like, I can't wait to actually hustle more good items, you know, and like hold out for really good items. It's bittersweet because I'm happy to get this stuff out, but I'm also like, you know what, stick to your guns. Like, that's what you're good at, and just look for those kind of things. I'm gonna take this stuff physically to the post office on the way to my mountain bike ride today, because this is kind of like not a good move to put your local USPS person in your neighborhood, even though they're supposed to take it. I don't want to fill up their truck with this stuff. So on my way to go mountain biking today, I'll just go stop by USPS and it'll be just fine. All right, we're here at the same place that we were sessioning the other day. Whitney's working on this little thing.
That fall down.
I almost fell, huh?
Yeah.
Almost fall down.
Almost fall down.
We know it's wrong English, but we like to say it that way. Waiting for some friends. We're just gonna sit here and session the crap out of this again and again and again. Gotta go faster. Come on, faster. Go, go, go. It goes right.
How'd it feel?
Okay, officially the next day, and got a local pickup for this right here. I believe I paid 10 bucks for these waxed DC snowboard pants, and should be selling for around 40, not too bad. The person that was supposed to come yesterday for this jacket is actually coming today, so we're gonna get that sold as well. And also something else that hopefully will sell during lunchtime. It's about a $10 find. Oh, it's my dog. He's yawning. My dog's yawning. It's about a $10 find. I think it was 10 bucks at a church sale. I sold one of the pieces for $1.99. It was a shock. It was a BMX frame plus a shock. I sold a shock for 200 bucks, and the frame should sell today if everything goes right for 360 bucks. Just banged out an awesome workout. See where the rest of the day takes us. All right, just sold the snow pants to that guy in that blue car right there. He offered me 30, I took it. It's a $20 profit. I'm good with it all day. So anyways, that's that. And then we'll be waiting for a jacket to sell. I'm eating my breakfast, just chilling, watching some YouTube videos, or about to watch some YouTube videos. Yeah, I really want this bike frame to sell though. That's the one I'm like, oh, if this goes down today, it's gonna be awesome. All right, I got stood up a second time from that lady for that jacket. Oh my gosh. 2 times! I'm double pissed. Yeah, now I'm double mad. Anyways, all right, the 5 things that are going out. We have a Specialized jersey in here, and this was $6. It sold for 56 or so, something like that. We have a Patagonia raincoat in that one, a red one. It was 20 actually, and it sold for 60, I want to say, something like that. We have some Vibram 5 fingers in here that was like $6, sold for 38 or so. A bag in here, a leather bag. This one right here was probably $5 at a garage sale or less, sold for 60. And then we have a satellite, which I kept some pieces of this satellite receiver thing, but that's in there. It's a boombox, and I kept some pieces, so I'm flat on this. Like, it sold for like 32 or something, and I'm 14 into it with like 11 shipping. So pretty much flatted out on that one. We're gonna get this stuff out of here. I'm gonna go on a bike ride, and I'll see you guys after that. The ride was super awesome, and we are heading outside because I think the guy to buy the $360 bike frame is coming over. It's a $10 frame, something like that. Check out Whitney's new bike. Just picked it up yesterday. I'm trying to get a little like all-arounder kind of bike for downtown, you know, put some fenders on it and some bags. But yeah, this is called a Journeyman, a Salsa Journeyman. Really, really heavily embracing the active lifestyle as much as possible, even if it rains. That's why we're gonna put fenders on that bike. But yeah, here's the bike frame right here. Let me show it to you guys. They canceled out my eBay listing and all that kind of stuff, but yeah, here we go. A very hard to find Monocu Elite box tubing race series Haro frame. Pretty cool. Just this for 360 bucks. Hey.
Oh yeah, I know what it is. Yeah. Oh, that's
all right, there's the cheddar right there, 360 bucks. Bam, counted. That's what I'm talking about. E-money.
Yeah.
I sold the yellow bike frame for $360.
Wait, weren't we half?
Yeah, we're halvesies into that.
Wait, didn't you get it for $2?
10.
$10.
church garage. Yeah. Isn't that awesome? So we're gonna do some other things real quick. I need to cut E-Money's half out of here and a couple other things, but yeah, pretty solid flip there. All right, so it's the next morning. I thought that was a pretty good local sale and everything like that. So yeah, sucks that I got stood up twice for something, but you know, not everything's like all perfect sometimes. So I'm gonna close out the vlog here because I'm gonna open up a really good vlog in 1 second. Whitney's gonna go thrifting with me today. Yes. I'll see you on the next Bonafide Hustle ride along. Take it easy. Goodbye.